Okie dokie. Welcome to the unboxing video. Let's see. Hey, where are you going? Stay up here. Don't you want to know what come on. Get up. There you go. Let's see that. Let's open your stuff. Let's see. Who is this from? It doesn't say. Okay, maybe it says. Oh, wait. No, that doesn't it. Okay, let's open it up and we'll see what's in it. Come on up here. And we're gonna test everything. Ah, look at this. Look at this. Mmm, milk bones, soft and chewy, just like me. Let's see, who is this from? God, this is tiny. Oh, here we go. This is a gift from Lisa. Thank you, Lisa. Hey, Timbit, come try these. Come here. I'm very excited. Now, for anybody who may not know, come here, get up. Get up. Look, this is where the treats are. Get up. All right, sit. You can. I know you can sit. Good boy. All right, so people who don't know, Timbit is a rescue dog, and he was kind of starving there. And a bunch of people on the internet were like, we're going to give nice things to Timbit. And they donated many hundreds of dollars to Elder Dog on his behalf. What is this? Holy moly. Oh, the prime bones. Yes. Who's this from? Deborah Steinhoff. Thank you so much. Say thank you. Okay, that was for you. All right, that's awesome. Now, we're going to give you one of those after. Ooh, let's see what's in the paper. Hey, what's in the paper? I know, this is pretty exciting, isn't it? Oh, you got the, pig ears. Oh, these are so good. Oh, that's awesome. Who's this from? Let's see who's this from. Oh man, there's nothing in there. Who's this from? Loyalty Dog Treats. Well, whomever that was, thank you for the pig ears. These look good, eh? Yeah, we'll give you some after. We don't want to give you everything at once. Okay. This is a big box. Let's open this big box. And I got a lot of stuff for the wood stove. Look at this. We got things to pop. This is so exciting. This is like Merry Christmas. Comfy pet. Oh, come here. With venison. Oh, this is so exciting. Here, I'll take one of these. Here, this one. There you go. Oh, that's very adorable. This is bites with venison. Okay, let's see. Is there a note in here to say who it was from? There isn't. Man, y'all are being kind, but you deserve some credit here. Anything on the box? No. Okay, well, whoever gave the venison bites and this, whatever this is. What's this, buddy? I know, it's very exciting, isn't it? I know. We don't even know what's in here. What? It's big. Oh my goodness. This is just exciting for me too, you know. Does it say here? No, it doesn't. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what it is, but it's nice. Wait, that looks like a bed cover, maybe? Okay, hold on, keep looking. Oh, it is! Okay, so it's a big doggy bed. All right, is there a gift? Nope, it doesn't say. So, it's a doggy bed, you open this up, it's gonna expand, and this is the slip cover. That is so cute. And this will go to whoever adopts Timbit, so he can have his own stuff, which is really nice. All right, one more box. There might even be more today, who knows, but this is pretty amazing. Timbit, come here. Come on, one more box, let's go. Come on up. Over this way. Come on. Oh, there's milk bones, bro. Milk bones, lots of milk bones. Let's see, who's this one from? This one is from Jean Candy. I know her. here, buddy. You want to try? You want to try and look? Come here. You got to get up on the chair and say, come here. Get up on the chair and say thank you. Come on up. All right, sit. Sit. Nope, sit. Good boy. All right, well, that was amazing. And I think there's the, his little pink rocket is coming out. He must be excited about these treats. All right, buddy, what do you say? Yep, that's what he says. All right, thank you, everybody. That's absolutely adorable. Want one more? Oh, you know what? Here, let's give him a pig ear. See how he likes these. Do you like pig ears? No, he's got some kibble or part of his mouth. You are going to make this chair a mess. Do you like that? Oh, I think he does. He's going to go spend some quality time with his pig ear. So adorable. All right, everybody, thank you so much. That was absolutely adorable. Oh, you can hear it crunching. All right, now I got to clean up this mess. But it was definitely worth it.